Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Bitcoin update today. So let's get into this and let's talk about it very quickly. I'm going to open up Bitcoin here again, and today we have Bitcoin at $105,000. We are in a little bit of a trouble because the channel that we talked about previously has been broken, and I think it is actually pretty evident that Bitcoin is probably ready to go down for a deeper correction. So in my opinion, this was your channel in here, and you can see that the channel is finally broken, by the way. So we're going to drop that line just like that in here, and we're going to zoom out a little bit. Yeah, so the channel has not really been back tested just yet, and I'm going to do something like this or something like that, I guess. All right, so let's just make this a little bit more clear so that we can get to understand what is about to happen. Okay, so this channel has been maintained since 10th of April last month, and now you're sitting at nearly, the beginning of June. And I'm going to tell you that this month is about to come to an end within the next 2 days, 1 day. The private closing is also about going to end in as soon as the monthly closes as well for June entry. But what I want to show you is one tiny detail, that Bitcoin did not really backtest this trend line. Do you see that the trend line is empty? The backtest didn't really happen. It was just a break to the downside, a move to the upside like this, and then you drop to the downside. But the real retest has not happened just yet. So my take is the following. We're about to look at the retest happening, and also we're sitting on Friday, and in the next 2 days we're about to open up a new week as well. So we're going to actually check the weekly, and here it is. So the very first sell-off candle after so many green candles, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, after 8 weeks of green, this is probably the first red candle that we are getting for Bitcoin. And in my opinion, next week we might actually see a move to the downside for Bitcoin, probably to 94,000, maybe even a deeper correction to $91,000 is still kind of possible. But we still have 2 days to close the whole thing. And as soon as you close negative in the next 2 days, I think during the Monday, the opening of next week, and also it's going to be the opening of the next month as well. So we're going to have a new month, we're going to have a new week as well. And during that time, we could actually see Bitcoin moving up again to nearly $110,000, take out the stop losses at $110,000, and actually make the retest of that trend line, couple of retests like this, and probably from here actually start to correct deeper. I would actually say that maybe even a 10% deeper correction can happen, maybe even more than that, all the way down to maybe like $94,000 could be something that you might see. So maybe 10 to 15% can happen for Bitcoin. Now you can actually calculate how much that is going to be for altcoin as well. Now let's say you do get back above the channel, and you just cross the channel like this, and you start to go back up again, and that's going to be a totally different scenario. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.